Auto accident medical bills. A crash can leave you shaken, sore, and facing medical bills that never seem to end. In Pennsylvania, the source of payment for those costs depends on your insurance and the details of the wreck. Understanding your rights can ease some of that burden. In this choice no-fault state, drivers must carry at least $5,000 in first-party medical benefits called personal injury protection. These benefits cover your initial medical bills regardless of fault. When purchasing a policy, you choose between limited and full tort. Limited tort coverage pays your medical bills up to the policy limit and allows you to pursue economic damages like excess expenses and lost income. If you suffer a serious injury as defined by law, you may seek pain and suffering damages despite having limited coverage. Full tort insurance opens the door to pain and suffering damages regardless of injury severity. Limited policies do not bar you from going after an uninsured, out-of-state or intoxicated at-fault driver. Motorcycles and off-road vehicles are not covered by personal injury protection, so riders rely on health insurance. Health insurance generally covers accident-related medical care, but some plans have restrictions on treatments and injuries. If another party is at fault, your insurer may try to recover its costs from the other driver through subrogation. Under Pennsylvania's system, your own auto insurance is the primary payer. Personal injury protection covers your bills up to the limit before your health insurer contributes. You should quickly notify both carriers to understand your coverage and meet any deadlines. Consult an attorney to understand your policy. After a crash, personal injury protection benefits are applied first. If those benefits run out, Medicare can issue a conditional payment, functioning like a short-term loan. Medicare sends a conditional payment letter and later a final demand, and interest accrues if the amount is not repaid promptly. Medicaid is the payer of last resort and may delay payment until your auto or health coverage is exhausted, or may pay immediately and file a lien against any settlement for the discounted amount it paid. Keeping track of letters, payment ledgers, lien notices, explanations of benefits and itemized bills helps your lawyer match charges to the accident, challenge unrelated care, and seek reductions so you retain more of your recovery. Auto policy payments may cover some bills, but severe injuries might cost more than your policy allows. If your medical costs exceed your own limit, you can seek to recover the excess from the at-fault driver's insurance. A full tort policy or a serious injury allows you to pursue lost wages, pain and suffering, and, in some cases, punitive damages. Because medical bills add up quickly, contacting a Pennsylvania car accident attorney early can help you evaluate your options. A representative from Luxenberg Garbett, Kelly & George PC can review your policy and advise you, and there is no fee unless they recover compensation for you. Luxenberg Garbett, Kelly & George PC has been helping Western Pennsylvania car accident victims for decades. Lawrence M. Kelly, a lifelong Newcastle resident, has practiced law for more than 40 years and has built a reputation for compassionate representation grounded in community values. He is a board-certified civil trial practitioner and a longtime Pennsylvania super lawyer. Joseph A. George brings nearly 30 years of experience and is admitted in both Pennsylvania and Ohio. He focuses on motor vehicle accidents, personal injury, and workers' compensation. This law firm pairs experience with personal attention to guide clients toward fair settlements. Medical bills arriving after a crash can feel overwhelming. You should not have to choose between healing and paying your rent. A Western Pennsylvania car accident lawyer from this law firm can track every charge, push back on unfair denials, and fight for the full value of your care so you can focus on recovery. Talk with someone who listens and explains your options. Luxenberg Garbett, Kelly & George PC is at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101. Call 724-658-8535 to schedule a free consultation and take the first step toward reclaiming your life after a car accident.